Australian soldiers once waged war against emus, and lost. In 1932, farmers in Western Australia were struggling with a massive emu invasion that was destroying crops. The government sent soldiers armed with machine guns to combat these flightless birds. However, the emus proved to be surprisingly resilient and elusive, often outrunning the soldiers and their bullets. Despite firing thousands of rounds, the soldiers barely made a dent in the emu population. The Great Emu War ended with the humans admitting defeat, and the emus continued to roam the farmlands, leaving a bizarre chapter in history where trained military forces were outsmarted by a flock of birds.